Our husbands and our boyfriends hate when we ask questions on NFL Sunday about the game. There are so many fun football face-offs happening this weekend, so we thought, let's get Brandon Roddy in here to do a little bit of Roddy's Roundup. Good morning.
Good morning, Bridget.
How are you?
Well, you know what, Bridget? I decided to do something different this week. I want to start with 1 pro game and 3 college games.
Okay.
And I want to focus on the not-so-well-hyped Texas teams. You know, because we're in Texas. We got to talk about Texas teams, right? All right. Let's start with the NFL game of the week. I'm taking the San Diego Chargers against the Houston Texans. Now, the Chargers are 3-5. They're 0-4 on the road this year, which is good for the Texans, who are 4-3. They started the season as hot as any team. They've been slipping lately, but you know what? The Texans are still in it, and they actually have a chance to make the playoffs. Playoffs! I'm going to take the Texans on the road. All right, here we go. The game of the week. Number 3, TCU, Hook 'em Horned Frogs, against number 5, Utah. Both of these teams are undefeated, and they've both been criticized all year because they haven't played anybody. Well, this game right here is going to prove it to who's the best. TCU just jumped Boise State. They're number 3 in the rankings, but whoever loses this game will be out of BCS contention. I'm going to take the Horned Frogs in this one. Number 21, Baylor, at 7-2 against number 17, Oklahoma State. Baylor has not been in a bowl game in 16 years. They already are bowl eligible this year, and they have a chance to do something they've never done in school history, and that's win the Big 12. I'm wishing them luck with this one. I'm going to take the Bears. Number 6, Alabama, 7-1, taking on number 10, LSU. This game right here is huge for Alabama. If they win this game and win next week, they have a chance to set themselves up to get back in contention for the national title. Alabama's going to need some help, though, because LSU's defense is playing pretty good this year. I'm going to take the Tide to roll over the LSU Tigers. All right, my picks. I got the Chargers being struck by the Texans. I got the Utes being poisoned by the Horned Frogs. I got the Cowboys being mauled by the Bears, and the Crimson Tide rolling over the Tigers. Yeah, not the Dallas Cowboys.
No, but
yeah,
still.
They're probably going to lose
anytime we talk
anyway.
about the Cowboys, now I got to ask you quickly, Baylor, you said Baylor for the first time in how many years?
16 years since they've been in a bowl game.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
so you know our news photographer, Jason Eggleston, went to Baylor. Is it going to be worth it for him to make a trip to that game?
Oh, yeah,
I think so?
I would.
Okay, so I'll tell him get that road trip together.
Get me tickets, too.
I'll ask him.
Yeah,
Brandon, Roddy, good job.
Thank you.
Good job.